Hey guys, my name's April Nygaard. I'm a Pilates instructor at Ballet Austin. I hope you guys are all doing well and staying healthy. I just got done baking my homemade granola recipe and wanted to share it with you all. So I started making my own granola actually quite a long time ago because I always had a really hard time finding granola in the grocery store that didn't have a lot of added sugar or wasn't gluten-free or just had weird ingredients in it. And when I did find a good organic gluten-free granola, it was like $10 for the smallest bag. So decided to start making my own. I first found a recipe off Pinterest and just started to play around with it and tweak it a little bit. So here is I just took it out of the oven, so it's probably really hot. So maybe I don't want to touch it. Here is the final product. Let me bring it up a little bit closer so you can see. So that's what it looks like when it's all done. It's incredibly easy to do and fast. So if you don't have a lot of time or you think you don't have enough time, I guarantee you do because it takes 2 seconds. Maybe you can even make your kids do it if you have kids. But super simple. All of the dry ingredients go into a big bowl. You mix it up. The wet ingredients, I do put it in a small saucepan and put it on the oven just to melt all the ingredients together. And then pour it over the dry ingredients. Just make sure it's all coated well. Then you spread it out on a baking sheet. I do mine at a higher temperature than what is recommended on a lot of them because I have zero patience, especially when cooking, and I just don't want it to take that long. So I upped my temperature to 375, cook it for around 15-20 minutes, but I do watch it really well. I check on it probably every 5 minutes or so to stir it up and make sure that it cooks evenly. And that I don't burn it because I do that a lot. So other than that, I think that is it. I hope you guys enjoy it and really like it. I think it's delicious. Oh, and by the way, it keeps me full for hours. I usually only eat a half a cup to a cup and I'm full. I eat it with milk sometimes or just dry. I take it with me in my bag if I need a snack, and it is the perfect snack. So thank you guys. Again, I hope you're doing well and hopefully see you soon. Take care.